I'm Grover Ezzell, and I'm the CEO of Ezzell Trucking. Our niche market is the forestry industry. We're a little different than your basic trucking company.
We're small enough to be agile, but also large enough to meet whatever demands that customer might need.
Customers depend on us to move their residuals off their plant site. And if we don't move them, it could cause several hundred people not to be able to work.
Ezzell Trucking is another long-time relationship. I probably sold them my first other, what we call a possum belly drop center chip trailer back in '99. We supported them through the wood hauling, through the chip trailers and line fours, and tried to be there for them through the wood pellet hauling they're doing now with the hopper bottom trailers, and help them design the trailers they're hauling with now, spend time with them, spec them out, go watch them load, unload, make sure we're diving in and figure out exactly what they need.
Pinnacle is a wonderful partner. Whenever we have equipment challenges, they're able to step in and help us address those. They're really coming to the table with solutions.
What I love about my relationship with Pinnacle Trailers and Brett Tanner is I know that he's behind me, and he's one of the reasons for our success in the past, and knowing that he's also going to be supporting my daughter and her future with the company, it's invaluable to have that knowledge and know as we move into the future that I know that we've got people around us that's going to support our needs, and we couldn't have a better partner than Pinnacle Trailers.